Hey guys, well, bought something new for the shop. Finally, I think I posted this video on one of my other channels, but I can't remember. But anyways, got this thing. So yeah, it should be huge improvement over the last little welder I had. So this one I can weld up a 1/2 inch plate with it. This one here. This is a 220 MIG pack 80. Because it comes with a bunch of goodies in it. So see there, welds up to 1/2 inch plate. So I tried welding 1/4 inch with it the other day, and it actually melted. I had actually on C range, and actually melted the metal pretty good. So but there you have it. So I want to try getting some of this 45 gauge wire for flux core. So I've never used the 45 thou. I didn't actually know it even existed, but I guess it's on there, so it must exist. 35 thou is actually what's most used. So if it says you can use it, I guess you can get it. So I need to find a source for that and get some 45 thou wire for welding 1/2 inch plate. So you're probably wondering why I didn't get a proper MIG. Well, mostly what I use around here is flux core, and I just hate buying argon. I mean, it's of course for welding thinner metals, of course you want to use argon, but or use the gas for welding thicker stuff too, right? But I like the flux core. It's less expensive to use, and you don't have to bother filling up bottles and such. So I've got the power in here. So extension cord, heavy duty 3-core wire. I think it's like number 8 or number 6 wire. I think it's number 8 wire, 3 wire. So yeah, so works good. I've tried it. My welder's back here. On my little cart. Yeah, works pretty good. I'm really happy with it. So the leads are on it actually quite a bit longer than the existing. Something I did, I taped up the port here for the I got some electrical tape and I taped that up there real good for the port there for the gas. You want stuff going in there. There's a little breaker in there. So yeah, it's quite a bit bigger than the small little welder here. This was the original. So had that one there for a long time. So, but yeah, so comes a bunch of goodies. Comes with the prop this up here somewhere. The welder comes a bunch of goodies. Comes with a chipping hammer, a couple rolls of wire, 25 thou flux core wire. And you're going out with freaking hands. Start my life. Yeah, so welding gloves, a cap. So it's a pretty good deal for what you get for it. So I got on sale. It was on sale at Canadian Tire up here in Canada. So I like Lincoln. I always like Lincoln or Miller welders. Has been my favorite. I won't buy anything else. I've had good success, good luck with Lincoln welders. They have the longevity of Lincoln or Miller welders is pretty good. I don't know if you guys know, back when I had a Miller portable welder. Had a Olson. Olson was an arc welder, portable arc welder. It was an Olson, powered by Olson motor, 2-cylinder, and two or 4-cylinder. I can't remember, but it was a Miller welder, and that was a really good machine. So anyway, but yeah, so I like my Miller or Lincoln welders. So, anyways, I'll show you something else. On Bronco, we're figuring we're going to put the engine on the back because we have a lot of weight on the front of this machine already. So, and this back of the tractor is very, very light. So, I figure I'm going to get like a 10 horse, between 8 and 10 horse engine for the back. Like other pictures I've shown before, the engine is on the back of the machine. So yeah, so I'll have the seat on here and steer in the front, and there's other stuff on there, hydraulic stuff and such. We need weight because this is very, very light back here, right? And this is like, I can almost pick it up by hand in the front. No freaking way I'm gonna pick up that son of a bitch. Fucking heavy. So, but anyways, put the motor in the back and everything we need. Because this year we'll have a little loader on the front, so it'll be plenty heavy. So we need more weight on the back. I might have to put a counterweight or something in the back of this one. Anyways, that's things for Bronco, and get work on that project. Soon to get some metal here. So, alright guys, stay tuned for more updates and DIY stuff. Alright, see ya.